y'all see it. Natural, which way I'm going? Natural-ish. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. Welcome back to another edition of Beauty Monday. So for today's, I'm shaking the table, Okay, so for today's video, I'm doing a actual look. I have not done makeup on this channel in like, I don't know, over a month. I know, but I just wanted to come and do a very simple, affordable, glow goddess, okay, makeup look. I'm also gonna be styling up this wig, so make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, let's go ahead and get these brows done, and I'll be right back. Spinny chair. Ooh, oh, god dang it. I wanted to spin out of here. Guess not. Okay, now that we are back, I got my mirror propped up here. I got a new mirror too. I just been showing out lately, spending all types of coin. Now, I'm going to be using my Bhcosmetics Itsmyrayeraye Round 2 palette. However, if you also have the SIENNAS palette from Profusion, you can also use this one. I have showed it on my channel before. It is a good go-to. So I'm gonna go in with this little fluffy brush here. And you guys know I'm just doing a simple eye, so any type of brown will do. Okay, we're just gonna put that all over the eye. Okay, see how that just blends out? Bomb.com. I have to do a whole bunch of work. Okay, that's what I like. Okay, checks over stripes. You hear me? I'm going to take another fluffy brush. This one is a little bit more compact. So I'm going to take the Cacao color, which is like that dark brown shade. I'm just going to put that over here in my creasy crease, just to darken that up a little bit. Okay. I just had some sweet tea from IHOP, y'all, and it's making my stomach hurt. It's still good though. So now I'm gonna take this flat brush, any type of flat brush will do. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this orangey color right on the center of my lid. All right, and then we're gonna take some Glim Glam. So any type of glitter that you have. So I'm gonna take the Shinin, which is one of my favorites, and I'm just gonna pop her right on top of that orange shade. And I use my finger because it's easier. I need a wipe. I need wipe. We're gonna go in just a tad bit with this Adventurous shade right here, this tan shade, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that to blend out that line. Anyone can blend, okay? Just take your time, cause y'all know my beginner looks. What was blending? What was blending? I ain't care. I rarely still do, but you know, for the video. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the face. So I'm gonna use my CoverGirl D50. Now, as you guys can see, I've gotten a little tan, okay? Because your girl been working out outside in this hot Texas sun, so I've been tanning a little bit. And I do color correct when I use this one because it's not a full coverage, but I don't feel like it. And I did already prime. I went in with my, now this one wasn't as affordable, okay? The Benefit Cosmetics, Porefessional primer and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr primer. So for concealer, I'm going to be using two different concealers. If I decide to use them both, I will be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer and the ColourPop concealer. So first I'm going to go in with the color Tan. So while I'm letting that sit, I'm going to go in with my lashes, right, get my lashes ready. So I'm going to go in with the Kiss lash pack. This is the Pixie lash. I'm gonna double the lashes up really quick, and then I'll come back to blend this out. I'm going to take my setting brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to blend out this concealer. Sometimes I'll go and put it on my forehead, like actually place the product there, but recently I've just been doing like bringing the excess up. Save your product, save your coins. That's a little bit too bright for me, so I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and blend that out some because I don't like how that looks. Just diffuse the situation, and then I'm going with my same foundation brush, not adding new product, and just blend out those edges. Now, I don't need to use the ColourPop one, so let's go ahead and toss her back in the bin. But I am gonna go in with the Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel, just a little bit. I'm going to go in with a teensy little bit of contour, not a lot. I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation stick. This is in the shade Deep Bronze, Big Baby. I'm going to put a little bit right there. And I would do my nose, but the way my nose been acting up, we ain't going to do that. Now, I'm going to go in with my setting brush that I already had a concealer on and just do a little reverse contour situation. And take that foundation brush, okay, and just blend that all together. Okay, I know y'all looking like, when's she gonna set that under eye? Because that joint is creasing. Yes, I know. So with that being said, I'm going to set with my Laura Mercier. Now I know this is not drugstore, but use the product that's right for you. Setting powder, I can't change from this right now until I find one that I can actually work with. I feel like I look like Roscoe from Martin. Okay, so while that's sitting all pretty, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, medium deep, and I'm going to contour up the rest of my face. So everywhere I put the stick contour, I'm gonna go in with the powder. I'm gonna go in with my Soft Focus finishing powder, and we're gonna go over this whole area right here. Brush that off my nose. Now we can go in and brush the rest of that off. Now we're going to spray her down. This is the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. You guys know I love this stuff, but I also like the Black Radiance Long Lasting Setting Spray. It just has like a harsher like output, so that's why I'm using this one too. All right, now for some highlight, Profusion contour palette. I got this from Target. Now, if you happen to put too much on there, go back in with your foundation brush and just mute it out a little bit. Let's go ahead and put our mascara on, and then we'll go ahead and start with the hair. Now, if you fast forwarded through all the makeup and you want to get to the hair, let's go ahead and get the hair done, okay? Yeah, I hit y'all with the natural-ish vibes. If you like my shirt, my code is down below. I don't make no money off of it, just getting some money off for you guys. So let me go ahead and get the front of my hair out right here because we have to gel that up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler. This is the 10 hold. My girl Shanice Nicole actually did a look like this, and I was in love with her look, y'all. She slayed that look. This is what she looks like. She is from OUTRE. She is by the Big Beautiful Hair series, and it is the unit for a kinky. This unit is $19.99, so it's under $20. This is what she looks like straight out the pack. So she has the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable strap. What I'm going to do is take my wide tooth comb, and I'm going to comb through the hair like that from the root out. Let me undo this little wrappy wrap here, and I'm going to take some bobby pin, pin her down in the back. Now I'm going to take some of the hair from here, gather it up in a little ponytail situation, and I'm going to attach her to my little situation. Now I want mine to be more of in like a bun. Then I'm gonna use a rubber band to secure her in place. Now to finish it, I'm gonna use the combs to adjust that back. All right, so I got my little hair jewels here that I got from the beauty supply store that I'm going to use right up in here. And we got some string. She a little stretchy stretch. Okay. And we just gonna wrap her just any old way, okay? Okay, so here is the finished look. Very simple, easy to do. This is what the hair is looking like. Again, you guys saw how I did it. Some of the hair, I know you can see some of the track right here because I pulled too much of the hair up here. But again, nobody should be that close to my scalp. Back up. But this is really cute, you guys. I think it blends in with my natural hair texture really well. Even though I am a 4C, you wouldn't tell by the way I gelled this baby down. Don't judge my hairline. Very cute, very simple. You can use the hair jewels, you don't have to, but everything in this video for the most part was under $20. My shirt is natural-ish from Melanated Kin. They are on Instagram. I will link them down below as well as their site. MKPepper19 is the code if you want to get 15% off. The code is good until August 1st. So get in there and get them shirts, whether it's one shirt or a couple. They also have kids clothes. So check them out, you guys. Make sure you tell them that KIE RASHON sent you. Let me give you guys a little 360 of my look. This is how she looking. Looky, looky, looky. Now, if you want to do this look, I will list all the products that I use in this video down below. Like, just look at that skin. Look at that skin. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.